Hello everyone, today I'll be going through how to lend your Ether on Alpha Homora V2. This video is for people who want to earn a slightly higher yield on their Ether and are willing to take a little more risk than just staking Ether on the Beacon chain. So for the first step, you want to head over to the Alpha Finance main website that you can find in the description. Then you want to just head down over to Alpha Homora V2 and you want to launch the application. So I already launched it. It will bring you to this dashboard page. We can see that there's close to $1 trillion worth of value that's locked inside of this protocol. So Alpha Homora V2 is a DeFi protocol that allows users to basically perform leveraged yield farming. So these users are borrowing assets to provide additional liquidity to their yield farms. So what we're doing is we're taking the other side of the trade and lending them our assets. So go ahead and press into the Earn tab, and you will see all the possible assets that you can lend. So in this video, we're going to be lending ETH. We see that the 7.22%, this is basically the interest rate that borrowers are paying, which is also the yield that we are going to get by supplying our Ether. And remember that the interest rate is variable, so it will fluctuate depending on how many people are supplying the asset and how many people are borrowing it. Okay, so let's go ahead and press apply. And make sure you have your Metamask connected. Mine is already connected. And over here, you can just type in how much Ether you want to provide, how much Ether you want to lend, basically. Remember that it's never a good idea to put all your Ether in one protocol. You never know when there's smart contract risks. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the maximum amount that I can put and press confirm. Okay, this is weird. 0 gas fees. Let me just try this again. Just give me a second, I'll be right back. Let me just check what's wrong. Alright guys, I'm back. So I guess the issue was that the interest rate changed. So I had to go back to the Earn tab, press apply. So once again, I'm gonna put in the maximum amount of Ether I can put, confirm. So now they're asking for a gas fee to deposit my Ether. I will confirm that. Actually, just before I confirm, just want to check. Okay, so the gas fee is about 18 GUI. I'm just going to put it to 20 just to make sure it goes through. Confirm. And I'll be back with you guys when this is confirmed. So my 0.96 ETH has been deposited successfully. And you can go into the withdraw tab and you will see that you have the ETH V2 token, which is what you can use to reclaim the ETH that you deposited. Any yield that you will be earned will accrue itself on top of this value. And if you want to withdraw your ETH, you can just confirm, pay the gas fees, and you're good. That's it for today's video on how to lend your Ether on Alpha Homora V2. If you found the video helpful, feel free to like it, share it, and let me know if there's any questions in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.